Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn on or off app notifications on your Google Pixel, so let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, tap the gear icon on your device to open up the settings menu. This is where you'll find all the controls for managing your phone's features and customizations. Once you're in settings, scroll down and tap on notifications. This section gives you complete control over how and when apps can send you alerts, helping you reduce distractions or stay updated on what matters most. Next, tap on app notifications. This will bring up a list of all the apps installed on your Pixel along with their current notification settings. It's a central hub for managing notifications across your entire device. Now at the top of the screen, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Go ahead and tap it. This drop-down lets you filter the list of apps in different ways. You can choose options like Most Recent, which shows apps that have sent notifications recently, Most Frequent for apps that notify you the most often, All apps to see everything installed on your phone, or Turned off to view only apps with notifications currently disabled. Choose whichever filter makes it easiest for you to find the app you're looking for. For example, if you want to manage an app that's been buzzing a lot lately, Most Frequent is a great choice. After selecting your preferred filter, scroll through the list and find the app whose notifications you want to adjust. Once you've located it, tap on the app name to open its notification settings. Inside, you'll see an option labeled All Notifications with a toggle button right beside it. This toggle controls whether the app can send you any notifications at all. Simply tap the toggle to turn it off if you want to stop receiving notifications from this app. If you change your mind later, just tap it again to turn notifications back on. And that's it. You've now adjusted your app notification settings on your Google Pixel, giving you full control over which apps can interrupt your day and which ones stay silent. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.